What is the difference between purifier and clarifier? Can we convert a purifier to clarifier? Explain how. Difference between purifier and clarifier. Purifier removes water and solid impurities from oil, but clarifier removes solid impurities only if oil is already dry. In purifier, there are two outlets, one for clean oil and one for water, but clarifier has only one outlet for clean oil only. In this, water outlet is blocked. In purifier, gravity disk is required, which is selected based on oil density to maintain the interface, but in clarifier disk is used. In purifier, water seal is must. That's why water is added before oil to create a seal, but in clarifier no water is used. In purifier, oil-water interface is maintained outside the disk stack, but in clarifier no interface is maintained, the entire ball is filled with oil. Can we convert a purifier to a clarifier? Yes, a purifier can be converted into a clarifier. This is often done when the oil being treated has very little water content or when the oil density is too high to maintain a stable water seal in a conventional purifier. How to convert a purifier to a clarifier? To convert a conventional purifier into a clarifier, we must perform the following mechanical changes. Change the gravity disk. Remove the gravity disk, which has a large internal diameter for water discharge. Replace it with a clarifier disk, also called a blind disk or discharge collar. This disk has a very small hole or no hole at all, effectively blocking the water outlet. Blind the water outlet. The water discharge line from the purifier is usually blanked off, or the discharge valve is kept closed to ensure no oil can escape through the water side. Change the bottom disk. In some models, the bottommost disk, the one without holes, is replaced with a clarifier bottom disk to redirect the flow entirely through the disk stack for maximum solid separation. Operational change: no water seal. During the starting procedure, do not add seal water. In a clarifier, the oil is admitted directly into the empty rotating ball.